Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 F-150. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, six-cylinder, 3.5-liter engine. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, cargo bed light, LED, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, double wishbones, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control. Inside you'll find voice-activated navigation system, heated steering wheel, inflatable seat belts, rear, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, capless fuel filler system, transmission temperature gauge, multifunction display, child safety locks, tachometer. Come take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.